Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ford Explorer garage door opener. First, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your overhead console. To begin, clear any previous programming by pressing and holding the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This ensures a clean slate for your new setup. Make sure your garage door opener remote has fresh batteries for optimal performance during this process. Now, let's program your remote. Position your garage door opener remote control 2 to 5 inches away from the home link buttons in your Explorer. Choose one of the 3 home link buttons you wish to program. Simultaneously, press and hold both your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding them until the home link indicator light begins to flash rapidly, then release both buttons. Next, we'll sync with your garage door opener unit. Go to your garage door opener motor in the garage and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press this button firmly. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Ford Explorer. Once back in your vehicle, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times. Finally, it's time to test your new setup. Press the home link button you programmed to confirm it now operates your garage door. If the door doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.